Are you curious how it goes in the Trade Academy Discord? Are you curious how me and Sam get around 120% each month of our accounts? Are you done with blowing up your accounts? Well, look at this Trade Academy website. Right here, we got a button. Click it and you'll join our Discord. Our Discord has over 2,000 members, which are all active. We all talk about trading. We have questions. We network. We make friends. Perfect environment for people that know trading and try to start how to trade. News calendar, investment calculator. What do we have as well? Our partners. We have a lot. I'm gonna show you right now. FXify IC markets, IC trading, FX replay, Maxi, Magic Keys, and FTMO is coming soon. Then for the last our plans. We got basic, advanced, and VIP. Basic is free, advanced is 148 euros, which is gonna go away soon. We're gonna combine it with VIP. So if you want advanced right now, you should really hurry to our website, and then I'll see you guys in the video. Welcome, guys, to the third video of the last course. Today we're gonna talk about internal and external range structure. It's really easy. I'm gonna explain to you guys how to combine those two because that seems to be pretty hard for beginner traders and most of the mentors online. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna explain it. It's combination of high time frame and lower time frame. Also with like 15 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, weekly, blah, 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 whatever. So let's get into it. Here, if we go to the 1 hour, we have our beautiful GPD USD. Oh, let me take off my Audemars Piguet real quick. If you want to watch like that, you should buy your VIP course. You can really, really learn some interesting things there. So, okay, now really getting into it. What we have here is a beautiful chart. Great British pounds to the USD, mate. So, higher time frame on the 1 hour. Right here, we have what is called higher time frame. You guys already should know this. HTF. So, now we really can get into it. As you can see here, we have a bearish movement, right? Market is completely, let's take this for example. Market is completely going bearish. So in the last video, I explained you guys which external and internal range structure works. Now we're gonna show you guys how to combine those two. Higher time frame, we're looking at really bearish momentum, right? Because we're breaking lows, respecting highs. It's pretty easy. The thing is, how you combine those two is knowing which range market wants to go. So if we take this for example, when we see this, we know market wants to go bearish. So for our swing traders, obviously you guys are gonna sell, right? You want to take a sell around this area, around this area, this area, or this area, right? Simple as that. You also can sell right here, but I doubt that market will come back there anytime soon. If you hop on the charts, also for my fellow scalpers, you hop on the chart, we check higher time frame structure because like I said a million times already, we follow the trend. If you don't follow the trend, you lose, and we don't want you to lose. I want you guys all to succeed. So we mark out our highs, our lows, whatever you want. Maybe if you're a beginner, you want to write down bearish, just so you know we are going bearish. You do the high and low, so it's on your screen always, right? When market is bearish, like I said, you want to look at high to find opportunities to sell. So like at your zones, but we're not going to talk about zones yet because that's for the next video actually. All right, bearish, right? We're going bearish. It's really clear now that we are going bearish. I don't need this line anymore. I don't need this text anymore. We're deleting it. As you can see, market is going bearish. Now you know. You want to look for sells. But hey, Aurelio, I'm a scalper. I don't want to wait fucking 40 minutes for my video. Hello, please give me answers. Sure, I understand. I do the same. My trading day is maybe 10 minutes at max. I hate waiting. So what do we do and how do we combine those? If you go on the chart and we're going to mark it out once again. Okay, we are going to go bearish. And after next week's video, you'll know here is your institutional zone. So you're like, okay, right, my zone's here. Let's say we don't know this part of the market yet. We don't know what's happening here, okay? We only know that we're bearish. What you want to do as a scalper, you want to mark out your institutional zone, your POI, your whatever, what you want to call it, your brick, your I don't know. You want to sell here. You want market to come back in this area, do something here and fall, like what happened here, right? In the meantime, this is more for scalpers. You want to find a trade only if it's an A plus setup, but of course you want to find a trade because we're here to make some money. We're here to become better people. We're here to become better traders. Once this happened, right? You marked out this. We don't know what's gonna happen here yet. Keep that in mind. We pretend we're blind. Once this happened, we mark this out. You want to check for structure. Do we see small break of structures to the upside? Now we got to really zoom in right here. Give your first break of structure. Then you're going to learn soon that you can use this as a zone as well. So guys, you're going to start learning that we can use the internal structure on the 1 minute to find buys up to our 15-minute zone to sell again. So how do we do it? Well, you wait for your first break of structure. You wait for your zone. After that, once you see market, just keep breaking structures and taking out liquidity. While market is doing this, if you see market create liquidity on the bottom, so market's building up liquidity here. Do you see what's going on? Even though we're bearish, we're building up a lot of liquidity here, right? So we take this out, we're breaking highs. We sweep once, we come back here, right? Bam, bam, bam. We're not doing anything really. As you can see, market is not really doing anything besides building up liquidity. Even though some of you guys don't know yet what liquidity is, it doesn't matter because we're going to get in there like in 5 videos. So what market is doing is it's showing us that we're going to get a reversal on lower time frame. Keep in mind, higher time frame is bearish, while creating liquidity on the upside. So it's telling us, hey, we're going to go shoot up before dropping down because I need some money. We need stop losses. I got to get into my zone. So what market is doing is market is building liquidity. It sweeps here. It breaks these lows. So you can call this a break of structure, which is most of your garbage ass YouTube mentors, gurus tell you to. This is not a break of structure. You're gonna lose if you think this is a break of structure. Why? This is your structure on high time frame. And this is how we combine it. As long as this low is not being taken out, we are not breaking structure on the higher time frame, which means we are not going bearish. Oh, but how do I predict lower time frame structure for sells? You wait until we're in this area. As you can see, we'll get into that in a bit. So this is not a break of structure. This is a sweep. I'm going to get to you guys with sweeps within a few videos. Don't worry. So now you got your zones and your sweep. What we're doing is we're building liquidity on lower time frame to push up. As you can see, even tinier structure. This is our structure right now. Okay. Yeah. Tiny structure. If you follow this, what do we have here? We break a little high. We come back in the area where the banks buy, like I explained in the last 2 videos. This is a place for an entry. Or here, if you're a VIP, well, VIP, we would have entered here. Advanced would have entered here. YouTube would have entered here. Here is where you want to take an entry and then target whatever, maybe this. And this is how we combine those two. So with lower time frame, we can still get trades in, even though we follow higher time frame structure. We can still get some trades in because market obviously moves in pullbacks. So we have a low, high, low, and we're not going straight down. So we have to wait for market to come back to continue bearish. So we use that power and knowledge for us to buy. We know that market is building up liquidity here. We know this is a sweep. We know we have to go up a little bit. So if I draw this out, this is your market. So 15 minutes. Let's write it down. 15 minutes. We marked out our zone. Okay. What do? Do we wait? Sure, if you're a swing trader, you wait. But if you're a scalper like me, you don't want to wait that much. So what do? Instead of waiting for this, we check out what's happening here. So we got our down movements, blah, blah, blah. And we start breaking highs. Liquidity is building up. Don't worry, we don't even need that. We start breaking highs. So this high gets taken out. This high gets taken out. Now, on the 1 minute, you can use the same method on the 15 minutes, the institutional zone, and you can base off an entry because market needs to come back to the POI, the brick, the institutional zone, the supply and demand, whatever you want to call it, for the banks to cash in their money right here for market to continue falling. It's really not that hard, guys. What happens here? Higher time frame is following the trend. Lower time frame, you get your first break of structure. Once again, mark it out on the 1 minute as well. Market comes back. You can start selling, and it just goes over and over again. And this happens every fucking minute, right? Look, perfect example. We fall higher time frame. We come back in our zone, right? Where's the break of structure? Peekaboo, here's the break of structure. Where's your lower time frame institutional zone? Right here, this area. Even then, don't worry if you miss it. We have another break of structure. We have another pullback. We come back into it, and it happens all the time. Then let's see what higher time frame did after that move. So once again, we broke structure. So now we're gonna get the same story just to make it clear to you guys. We took out structure. This is our actual low. So we're gonna take this for example right here. Yeah. So we know where market. Let's take a bigger portion just to be more clear. We know market wants to go here. So we have our low right here. What is market doing? Market is creating a high and we break the high. So that is plus one broken high, which means we're interested to buy on the lower time frame. Is market building up liquidity? Not really. It's not as clear as right here, but doesn't really matter because market once again did fall back into a bigger area. I wouldn't recommend placing a trade here, but it could be possible because we have to go here anyways. But once again, this is at the low. This is the reversal. So on higher time frame, it looks like maybe a few candles. Yeah, this is one candle on high time frame. So if you take high time frame, for example, market just comes back in your candle, which you want market to see to come back. Place an entry somewhere, stop loss here. I'm not a fan of stop losses at wicks because if it's going to take out the body, it's going to take out the wicks. So you target your thing, your zone. Let's start the extra zone, so 3.2. Okay. So what market is doing, it's doing it here once again because market needs to go up here. Why? There's so much liquidity here. Market has liquidity here. What does it do? Like before, it created a tiny sweep. It did end up in a better looking thingy, and market should calmly and slowly break some highs to get up here, right? For my students to sell and grab this mega down move. And that's how we combine those two. So to be clear, we go to the 15. So check 15 min structure, mark it out. Need these. Yeah. Check lower time frame for more opportunities like this. We are going bearish, but right here, you can check for buys. Breaks high, comes back in your area, shoots up. That's an easy buy. You know, it happens the whole time. So check market for 50-minute structure, mark it out, check lower time frame opportunities. Well, I hope that's clear for you guys. Like I said, it's really easy, but in the long run of this video series, it's gonna be way more clear what I mean. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join our Discord, follow us on Instagram because that's where the real shit's going on. Discord gets better information. Instagram, funny reels, interesting reels. We're doing a challenge now. I'm letting my Discord trade with a funded account and the payout we're giving away. So if you want to win like more than 1.5K, you can join the Discord, help us gamble, and then I'll see you guys in the next video.